If you want to know how to download your data in Claude AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to export your Claude conversations quickly and easily. This is useful if you want a backup of your chats, save important information, or move your data somewhere else for safekeeping. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Claude in your web browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to export data from. Once you're inside Claude, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Claude keeps your account and settings options. After that, a menu will open. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main configuration area for your account. Inside Settings, look for the Privacy section and open it. The Privacy area is where Claude keeps options related to your account data and export tools. Now click Export Data. Claude will then ask you to choose the time range of conversations you want to export. This is an important step because it lets you decide whether you want everything, a specific period, or just certain chat history depending on what's available. Select the time range that fits your needs, then confirm the export by clicking Export again. At this point, Claude will begin preparing your data. Depending on how much conversation history you have, this may take a little time. Once the export is processed, follow the instructions Claude provides to download your file. After that, you'll have a copy of your Claude data saved and ready to keep or use however you need. So that's it. You now know how to download and export data in Claude AI in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.